Hi friends and family and whoever else who watches this. We are in Australia and this is the first week, so I'm gonna do a little recap of all that happened this week, and here we go. Alright, so the journey starts and it's about an 18-hour flight. I had a layover in San Francisco, which was only about 2 hours, and then from there I went straight to Brisbane, Australia. I had a middle seat, so I wasn't the comfiest, but I slept most of the time, so that's okay. Get picked up from the airport and transferred to Surfers Paradise. We stay at the hostel called Bunk, which is super nice and pretty. I met an amazing group of girls that were also going through global work and travel, and we literally just spent the first 4 days together, and we just had a blast. So we just got in, and it was like 7 in the morning, so we decided to go somewhere to get some food. We then decided to go for a stroll on the beach. We're on the beach. Ours are just like boxes. Yes. I decided to do at least 30 minutes every day of swimming when we were there. I also decided to journal and draw at least one time a day. Pretty darn. Some more? Okay, day 2. This is from McDonald's. It's smacking. Oh my gosh, so good. We have our orientation today. Then we went to go finalize our Australian bank account. Then we're gonna go check out the Columbian Wildlife Sanctuary.
Follow these simple instructions. Seated position.
Like yelling.
They can yell at me.
There's no one around, so.
Oh, that's pretty.
Our wild stars free this afternoon. Over 7 kilos with a wingspan that exceeds 2.5 meters in length. Quite impressive. In fact, our Australian pelicans make up some. Is Lashore down back in the world to give you a weather report? Because this is delicious. Everyone probably has stomachs that's disgusting, but very energy efficient, that's for sure. But they have in all their absolute glory. Give it up for our silky dancing stars. Land of coexisting with their surrounding environment. But it's only today that we're beginning to understand and really showcasing to you feathered ambassadors like Squirt, our main connection cockatoo. You have met Liquid. You have met and his best friend Willow, our way from South America.
Hello there.
Now, if you go to the Aboriginal Cultural Show, it's on at 3 o'clock just about.
Look.
And to end the day, we're gonna have a girls' night out. Okay, day 3, we're gonna go to Springbrook on a waterfalls tour. Can't even see that. It looks like a mix of a bunny and a rat. Oh, that would be so cool to go swimming in. Okay, day 4, we're going to our surf lessons. Surf lessons were definitely fun, but a little frustrating, but it was a good experience. Okay, I'm leaving Surfers Paradise and I'm headed to Sydney. The rest of the week is more just kind of meshed together, just focusing on getting a job and finding a place. I'm staying at the Podbed hostel, which is not too bad. This was so good. I don't even like clams, but that was so good. But that's pretty much the weekly recap of what's happening in my life. I hope you guys are all doing good. I miss you. I love you all. And you can check out my Instagram for any pictures. I'm kind of slow on posting, but there's some on there. Okay.